Okay, so we're going to create a custom thank you page for a new customer who subscribes. We're going to show some information from the checkout session in our Bubble app. So the first thing we need to do is go to this Stripe documentation page and add a checkout session ID to our success page. So in Pricewell, we go Payments. We uncheck this after checkout return to the page you came from box. We put in our custom page URL. So I'm on version test at the moment. Got checkout thank you, and then we put question mark session underscore ID equals semicolon angle bracket checkout underscore session underscore ID, and then Stripe will replace this with the ID of the checkout session when they send it to us. So that's the first step. Then we need to go into our success page and say when the page loads, we create an event that says when the page is loaded. We'll say only when there is some page data in the URL called session ID, session underscore ID. Only when that is not empty, we're going to run a workflow. The workflow is going to be, we're going to get a Stripe customer from the checkout session. That's from the Pricewell Bubble plugin. In the session ID, we're going to dynamically insert that from the URL, from the page URL, and it's going to be from the session ID. Now we've got that, we're going to set some things on an element, set the state of an element here. I'm going to set I've got an email element. I'm going to create a custom state for it. I've created one called email. The type is text. I'm going to set the value to the result of step 1's email. And we're also going to set another state here. I'm going to set a total for the checkout session. We're going to set another custom state. I'll call this total. And we're going to get the Stripe customers total. We're going to first divide it by it's in cents or pence. So we're going to divide it by 100. And then we're going to format it as currency, whatever currency that's in. 2 decimal places. There we go. So that's all we're going to do. And then in the design, I'm going to dynamically insert those fields. So this is the emails custom state here. And insert the totals custom state there. Now I've got an example here, which has got a checkout session ID. And in the background, it's loading up the checkout session and showing me the information.